In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back into a FaceTime call on devices running iOS 15 or later. Whether you're multitasking or have accidentally exited the app, rejoining your FaceTime call is straightforward. Let's dive in and discover how. First, let's discuss minimizing the call. If you find yourself needing to use other apps while on a FaceTime call, you can easily minimize it. Simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to send the call to the background. This allows your FaceTime call to continue while you check emails, browse the web, or perform any other tasks simultaneously. Now, if you've minimized the call by swiping it to the background, the next step to bring it back into full view will depend on your device. For those using an iPhone X or later, just swipe down from the top right corner. This action will bring up your FaceTime call so you can get back into your conversation. If you're using an iPhone 8 or earlier, simply swipe up from the bottom. This intuitive gesture ensures you're always just a swipe away from reconnecting with your call. Additionally, you can access the call directly from the home screen. Look for the FaceTime app icon. If a call is in progress, you'll see the ongoing call indicator right on the app. Tap it and you will be redirected straight back into your FaceTime conversation, resuming where you left off. Sometimes you might accidentally close the FaceTime app altogether. If this happens, worry not. You can still return to your call quite effortlessly. Open the FaceTime app again from your home screen. Alternatively, you can utilize the app switcher. Simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause. Here you'll see all your open apps. Find the FaceTime card and tap on it to jump back into your call. In scenarios where you become disconnected from your FaceTime conversation, you might need to take additional steps. If the call has ended or dropped entirely, you will need to call the person back. Simply open FaceTime, access your recent calls list, and tap on the contact's name or phone number. You will initiate a new FaceTime call and be reconnected in no time. By mastering these simple gestures and steps, you can ensure that you never miss a beat in your FaceTime conversations on your iPhone. Whether you're managing multiple apps or accidentally exited the app, these techniques will have you back on track in moments. We hope you found these instructions helpful and that you feel more confident navigating your FaceTime calls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.